video is for students who have Piano Adventures Lesson Book Level 3A. You need to turn to page 12. We're going to work on Looking Glass River. This piece covers the Alberti bass pattern. It also covers ternary form. I'm just going to play the song for you first. Alberti bass is the pattern in which you're playing the chord. So let's take C major as the example. This is the first chord we're using in this song. Instead of playing the solid chord with all three notes together like this, we're playing the first note of the chord, the fifth note of the chord, the last note, the middle note, then the last note. So first, fifth, third, fifth. I've written the pattern here. So we start with the root note, then we go up to the fifth degree, the last note of the tonic triad chord. Then we go down to the middle note, which is the third degree of the chord, and then we go back up to the fifth degree. So this is the pattern you are playing the chord in. There are some exercises at the top of the first page. I would advise you to work on these exercises just to get familiar with this pattern. Okay, let's have a go at the left hand of this song together slowly. So from the beginning, we have 4 beats in a bar, so I'll count us both in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then whole bars rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and bar 6. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then rest for 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, and so we'll just stop there at the end of bar 8. Now let's try the right hand. So both of us playing together. So you play with me. We're just going to go to the end of bar 8 again. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now rewind this video as many times as you need to. Keep practicing with me to make sure you get all of the notes correct. We're now going to have a go up to the end of bar 8, hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 end, 2 end. Again, rewind that as many times as you want. This piece is written in ternary form. It's written in your music, ternary form. That means the music is written in 3 sections. We have section A, section B. The last section is section A or section 1. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I want you to work it out. So section A is different to section B, which is why they have 2 different letters. So it's like a sandwich, ternary form, A, B, A. But when section A is repeated at the end, it can be slightly different to the first section A. If it's slightly different, it's A1. So I'm going to leave you to write the letters in the boxes. So you need to write letter A in this first box, letter B in the second, and I will leave it up to you to work out if the last section is A or A1. And then in your next lesson you can show me what you've written and I'll tell you if you are correct. Lots of dynamics in this piece. I'm going to finish this video by playing through the whole song again. Don't play with me this time. Just sit and watch and listen, and I'm going to talk you through the dynamics that are written in the music. So we start off mezzo piano, quite soft. Then we have a crescendo, decrescendo, crescendo, decrescendo. Back to mezzo piano, crescendo, decrescendo, crescendo, mezzo forte, mezzo piano, crescendo, crescendo, decrescendo. See you in your next lesson.